Ephesians 4:29. Be patient, not be anxious about anything. Philippians 4:6. Be joyful, shout for joy for the Lord. Psalm 100:1. Be forgiven, forgive each other just as Christ forgave you. Ephesians 4:32. Be obedient, walk in obedience to God's commands. 2 John 1:6. Be a friend. A friend loves at all times. Proverbs 17:17. Be truthful. God is pleased when we are honest. 1 Chronicles 29:17. Be thankful. Give thanks to the Lord. 1 Chronicles 16:34.
Thank you. Bible memory is an important part of kindergarten. So yes, thank you. You may all go back to your seat.